Oh my god. It's thundering so bad here right now that my windows are shaking and it's pouring out. So let's do some skincare. I got some new stuff. I'm sure you guys have noticed in my video, my last video, but the new stuff I got is this Garnier Micellar. I think that's how you say it, Micellar water. And Weekend Glow by Versed Daily Brightening Solution. I'm only using this at night because otherwise I run out too fast. So it says AM or PM. Alright, so let's do this. Oh, also, some of you know that are in my lives, I've been experimenting with the cluster lashes, like that you put under here, and I was having a lot of trouble. Like they would stay on when I washed my face, but then they would fall out when I sleep. So this set, this is my third time trying it. They've actually been holding really good, but I don't know if they're gonna hold tonight. So let's see. It's hard for me to like stay away from my eyes. See, like I feel like I can't get a good clean with them on. Okay, so that was pretty good. I love the lashes. When I do like my face, I just want to like scrub and I can't. So hopefully, it seems like they held pretty well. They're a little wet, but we'll see, I guess, tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.